All right. All right. Now the study door's open again. What's going on? Knocking. Upstairs. Oh my God! There's something in the... Oh my God! Look! There's nothing I can do! The handle has... You know! You just have to... Come on! Come on! I mean, whatever it is in there. Can you hear me? Darling! Look, just don't keep begging. There's nothing I can... I mean, there's nowhere to... Listen! Climb round into the... Squeeze through the... And sit down the... I mean, come on, that'll be some way. Oh, for pity's sake!
Taken. Proceedings in court. Final notice. Proceedings in court.
Oh, it's you! Oh. Sorry.
Of course it's me. You put me in here, in the dark with all the blank sheets and things.
But, darling, why did you lock the door?
Why did I lock the door? Why did you lock the door?
I couldn't! I mean... Look!
Someone locked the door.
Anyway, you can't stand here looking like this.
Like what?
In your underwear.
Okay, I'll take it off.
And here.
Final notice. Steps will be taken to straight. Proceedings in court.
Now what?
A hot water box. I didn't put it there.
I didn't put it there.
Someone in the bathroom filling first aid bottles.
You don't suppose there's something funny going on? Darling, are you coming to bed or aren't you?
What did you say?
I didn't say anything.
I mean, first the door handle, now the first water box.
I'll give you goose pimples all over.
Yes, quick, get something on you.
Put the covers over our heads.
Just a moment. What did I do with those sardines? You wait here.
You hear all sorts of funny things about these old houses.
Yes, but this one has been extensively modernized throughout. I can't see how anything creepy would survive oil-fired central heating and...
What? What is it? What's happening?
The sardines. They've gone. No? They haven't. They're still here. Oh. Well, my God. I mean, my God. You put a plate of 2 sardines down, the last thing you expect to find. I mean, these days, the thing you don't expect to find is 2 plates of... I mean, that's really weird.
There's something creepy going on. I'm going to get to bed and put my head under the...
Because there they are, exactly where I...
Bag.
No, they're not. I suppose Mrs. Brockett must have... What is going on? Bag. What do you mean, bag? Sardines!
Bag.
Sardines!
Bag.
Sardines! Bag, what bag?
No bag. Bag here. Something. No. Gone.
It's in the bedroom. It was in the bedroom. I'll put it back in the bedroom. The box!
The box!
People, not gone.
Oh, my files!
What on earth's happening? Where's Mrs. Brockett? You wait downstairs.
No.
I'll leave for your dress on.
Nothing back in there!
I'll fetch it for you. I'll fetch it for you.
Yes, quick, hurry, let's get out of here.
Your dress! It's gone!
I'm never going to see Basingstoke again.
Don't panic. Don't panic. There's a perfectly... Randall!
Final notice. Sent to the
Holy crap!
Darling, if you're not coming tonight, I'm going to... Oh, great heavens! No, Dad, thank you, not my ideas, because... This time she's gonna kill him! No, he's just stunned, that's all. Keep going.
Don't panic. Don't panic. There's some perfectly rational explanation for all this. I'll fetch Mrs. Blodgett, and she'll tell us what's happening.
You fetched her, yes?
I fetched Mrs. Blodgett, and she'll tell us what's happening.
She won't, you know. I'll tell you what's happening.
There's a man in there! Yes?
No, look, he's in here, and so am I. No, there's no one else, love. Yes? No, look, now, I know this is going to come as a great surprise. I mean, think of finding a man lying at the bottom of the floor. Right, darling?
Right. Oh dear, Oh dear.
Well, I'm afraid that what we'll have to do now is we'll just have to introduce each other now that we've all met. Right, darling?
Introduce ourselves, right. In a moment.
This is my husband. I'm afraid surprises go straight to his nose. There's a man lurking in the undergrowth!